Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conversation Way. So today we're going to be fitting Vibe subwoofers, which come as part of the upgrade kit for the E92. So that's the amp and the component front speakers. These are the ones we're going to be fitting today, which are the subwoofers. So let's get to it. So to get access to the underseat subs, we're going to undo 4 Torx 50 bolts. There's one here and on the other seat runner, and there's one each side at the back as well, one there and one there. And once we've undone those, we're just going to tilt the seat backwards to rest on the rear seats, and then we should be able to get access to the subs. Right, so those 4 bolts are undone, and we're going to tilt the seat backwards, and that should give us access to the sub. I think I might give it a hoover while I'm down there as well. Remove the subwoofer grille, 6 crosshead screws to do that. Alright, so that's the speaker grille, subwoofer grille removed. So to get the actual subwoofer out, we need to remove 4 Torx 10 screws. One here, and one there, and there, and then this subwoofer should just pull out. Okay, so with those screws removed, this unit should just pop off, and we're going to remove the cable and we'll connect up the new sub. Okay, so here's the new subwoofer going in. So in the kit you'll get these BMW specific cable adapters. The blue plug literally plugs into the OEM harness here, and then obviously the ends just screw down into the terminals, and then once that's done, you can just press and screw down the subwoofer back into the enclosure. That's the new sub in its enclosure. The wires I have tucked just behind the carpet here, just so they don't rattle around, and just be careful of the polarity as well. I don't know if you can see that, but just on the terminals there is a positive and negative sign. So we'll get that screwed down, we'll check it works, and then we'll get everything back together. So as you can see with these Vibe subs, guys, the speaker grille actually fits over the new sub absolutely fine. That's not the case with all of the brands of the aftermarket underseat subs, so that's really good news. So all that's left to do is to bolt down the seat runners. That's 44 Newton meters, in case you're concerned about that, and then we'll do the other side, and it's job done. So there we go, guys, that's the Vibe underseat subwoofer install complete. Coming up on the channel soon, we're going to be installing the rest of the kit, so that's the amplifier and the front component speakers. And we've got lots of other stuff coming up as well from Lee's X5 and Hassan's Ford Focus, so if you're not subscribed already, please do so, and we'll catch you in the next one.